Zole and Lazarus just became ambassadors of the statement that says your wife has a weak husband. And we are saying that things between the two are slowly getting serious. And I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like this video. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch more previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I think we all saw this one coming. Pella, this chemistry started when Zole and Lazarus worked together and were able to defeat Sydney. I think that alone was the beginning of this new relationship. Now, notice this is very much interesting. Pella, Zole being in a relationship with Lazarus could mean one thing and one thing only, and that is uhlathi no Zole umdlalo wawo has come to an end, and that Hlathi will now be forced to go back to Thumeka, which is also a bit tricky because come on guys, I think we can all agree that things haven't been good for Hlathi and Zole since him and Zole were unable to meet each other on certain things. Pella, these people are way too different. I don't even understand what motivated them into falling in love with each other from the first place. Now, what's coming to my mind is the fact that Zole is the one who's going to lose more if things between her and Hlathi don't get well. Pella, if Zole and Hlathi don't work out or end up deciding to divorce each other, that will mean Hlathi must get 50% of Zole's assets, which is something I don't think Zole will like. Now, if Hlathi is able to force Zole to benza umcimbi wakhe, then that clearly means he can twist her arm in agreeing to take 50% of her assets. Hey guys, it looks like this show will never cease to be dramatic and entertaining. So comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.